Sis, we are definitely looking cute. Get into these curls. Girl, we're cute.
Talk to me.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lachelle Trends, and in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieved this look. We're doing a half up, half down hairstyle on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Love Me Hair. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, sis, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah, girl, let's get into it. Okay, sis, so again, I received this wig from Love Me Hair, and it came in this box right here. So inside of the box, of course, we have the unit, which I already took it out of the package because I needed to bleach the knots and pluck it. So anyways, it came in this little bag right here. And then inside of the box as well is this bag, and it has like their little logo or whatever. And let's see what it is. We have, oh, these are cute. Some 3D lashes, a scrunchie. Oh, these are cute. Some cute little earrings. Oh, how cute. And some press-on nails. Girl, these are really wearable nails as well. And it comes with like some stickers. These are definitely giving. And I do be wearing press-on nails too. And I need to take these nails off because, yeah. So, yeah. Thank you for the nails. And this is, girl, I don't know what this is. I don't know, but it looks like some type of pendant or whatever. So yeah, that's what came in it. As well, we have us a comb, and that's about it. Oh, and this little strap for your wig if you want to make it glueless, I suppose. So yeah, so let's get into the wig, which is right here. Now mind you, sis, it did not come like this. It's a curly unit, but again, I had to bleach the knots and stuff like that, so this is what we look like. But the real curl pattern is underneath, as you can see. So this is how the unit came. Very pretty curl pattern. This is a 5x5 unit. I'll have more of the details, of course, once we jump further into the video. But let's get into, oh girl, let's get into the inside of this unit. So this is what the 5x5 space is looking like. And then we have two combs, one on either side. I thought there, yeah, there's a comb in the middle, along with a comb at the bottom and adjustable straps. So yeah, girl, this is the unit. It feels very thick, probably because, of course, I had to bleach the knot, so it just got bigger or whatever. But yeah, so far we're cute. Again, this is the curl pattern that it came with. And yes, sis, let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, sis, so you already know how we're gonna start out. We're going to spray our lace. Girl, I couldn't even get it out. We're gonna spray our lace. This is what I use, which is some leg spray. If you know, you know. And this is Sally Hansen's leg spray in the color Medium Glow. And I'm just going to spray that on my lace and then blow dry it in. Okay, sis, so now I'm going to take my Got2b glue free spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry it in. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Contour Palette and mix those two shades. And this is in the color medium to dark. I'm mixing those two shades and I'm just going to fill it in just so we can better blend the lace and get a better melt. So now we're going to go back in again with the Got2b Glue Freeze Spray and then, you know, repeat the same steps from step 1. Did that even make sense? But yeah, you get what I'm trying to say. Sis, the melt is giving. We are melted. So now we're going to go ahead and style her. Okay, so first I'm going to show you what the parting space is looking like. Y'all, this hair is super, super soft. I think I over bleached my knots too, but I mean, by now y'all should be used to that because it just seems like I always over bleach them, but they're not super over bleached though. But yeah, this is what the parting space is giving, sis. Very cute. Okay, so let's try to do a half up, half down hairstyle. So the first thing I'm going to do, since we got like our little ponytail situated and parted out, I think it's even for the most part. I'm going to go ahead and take out my baby hairs and then go from there. Now I'm going to go in with my hot comb and I'm just going to flatten the ponytail so we can get it like nice and straight. And then I'm probably going to go in with some Got2b glue after that, but we'll see how it goes. Y'all, it done turned white up here from the Got2b glue from earlier. So I'm just brushing or combing that out, and then I'm gonna brush it out or whatever. And then I'm gonna go in using some Lotta Body mousse just so we can like mold the ponytail. I would use some Got2b glue spray, but girl, we are not about to be combing out white stuff. So yeah, and I'm taking this much. Okay, y'all, so now we about to go ahead and do these baby hairs, and yeah. To lay my baby hairs down today, I'll be using that mousse. I've been using Got2b Glue Free Spray and it's been working out okay, but I'm just gonna go back and start using my mousse. Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna spray some Got2b glue just right here so we can hot comb the sides down so we can get a better looking crisp part and whatnot. Let it sit for maybe a couple of seconds so you don't go in and it just be white, girl, because I hate that white. And I heard somebody told me that I should use Ebin, E-B-I-N, Ebin, girl, whatever it's called. And I probably will, because girl, I'm tired of the little white stuff. But I kind of think you'll get white stuff either way. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to go in with my water bottle, and it just has water in it, and my Cantu curling cream. And yeah, we're going to start to curl this up, and I'm gonna go by sections because sometimes I just be putting it all on there, but I think it's better to go in sections. Sis, we are definitely looking cute. Get into these curls. Girl, we're cute. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. And y'all, I'm gonna stand up so you can see how long it is. It is fairly long. So yeah, let's go ahead and pull it back up to the front and get situated. So yes sis, so again I received this unit from Love Me Hair, and on their website it says that this is their 5x5 deep wave undetectable invisible lace glueless closure wig. It says real HD lace. It also says it's deep wave 22 inches. It lasts for more than 1 year. Density is 180%. The hair color is natural black. The hairline is pre-plucked. It can be dyed, has adjustable straps. The circumference of the unit is 22.5 inches, standard medium, top twist lace, and then again it just says 5x5 inch lace closure. So girl, let's get into it. So first and foremost, it is a big head friendly unit. I'm shocked that it says that it is 22.5 inches in medium, because normally I get a larger cap size just to make sure that it's going to be big head friendly because my head is big. And girl, this fits so perfectly, almost too perfect, to where I did over put it on my head. I don't even know if that made sense, over put it on my head, because look, my baby hairs are like dang near touching my eyebrows, so I could have like pulled it back some, but it just set on my head so perfectly that it just went like that. So yeah, definitely big head friendly. The texture of this hair, y'all, the texture is just super soft hair. If you've had Love Me Hair before, you already know the quality of their hair is always A1, and they just never disappoint. Like, the hair is super soft. You can run your fingers through it. I did receive some I did receive some shedding, no tangling, just a little bit of shedding, but y'all, I really want to say that that's because I plucked it or whatever. And I didn't comb it out all the way, like all of the hair that I was plucking out. So majority of that hair that came out was from me plucking it and just not combing it out. So yeah, the little teeny shedding that I did get, of course you already expect that because it's curly hair and you're running your fingers through it and stuff. So just like the bare minimum, nothing alarming at all. The ends of the hair are good. They're not frizzy or anything, and you didn't need to trim it. And again, you do get all of your full 22 inches of this wig. It's no layering. It's 22 inches all the way around, as to why you can see that my ponytail is so long. You know how sometimes you put it in a ponytail and it's short because the hair is layered? This ponytail is definitely long, so you do get 22 inches all the way around on this unit, which is super bomb because not all units come like that. And y'all, the curls is definitely giving. The curls are really pretty. I think it said it was deep wave hair. I thought it was like maybe water wave or something because the curls are tiny. But y'all, the curls are cute. The lace in their description, y'all, they must have said that this lace was HD so many times, and it's definitely giving. So yes, it is HD lace, and I did notice that it was gonna lay flat in the beginning just because the lace was super soft. I think when you have super soft lace, you already know that it's gonna melt perfectly, and girl, they did not disappoint. This lace is definitely giving. It laid super good, super flat, and just, y'all, it's blended. Like, we look good. And you definitely get your 5x5 parting space. Overall, y'all, the lace, everything is just bomb. So yeah, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.